Alrighty, next up we have the Justice card, which is card number 11 in the Major Arcana. Sometimes it can be numbered as 8, I think, in the older decks, but it's number 11 in most modern Rider Waite systems. So traditionally, upright, this card can indicate fairness, balance, equality, truth, accountability, law, moral clarity, cause and effect, contracts, legal matters, objective decisions, integrity and ethical alignment, consequences based on past actions, seeking or delivering justice, and logical thinking and impartiality. Reverse, this card can mean injustice, bias, dishonesty, lack of accountability, unfair treatment, imbalance, legal complications, corruption, avoiding responsibility or truth, being overly judgmental or rigid, or failure to see both sides. The number 8, or what am I talking about? The number 11 is the master number, and it's a number of spiritual insight, mastery, and heightened awareness. It amplifies the energy of 2 because 1 plus 1 equals 2, so it can indicate duality, partnership, and discernment. It asks for a higher level of perception and moral alignment as the master number, and it often shows up with a karmic lesson in progress. It often shows up when a karmic lesson is in process or progress. It often shows up when a karmic lesson is in progress. That's what I'm trying to say. Thank you for bearing with me. The element that this card represents is air. It governs thought, communication, intellect, and reason. Justice is mental, analytical, and unbiased. It's guided by truth, not emotion. And this is the realm of ideas, ideals, and ethical decision making. It's associated with the zodiac sign Libra, which is ruled by Venus. And the themes are harmony, fairness, and social balance. Libra governs partnerships and the balancing of self and other. It reflects the need to weigh options and seek equilibrium. And this card, Justice, like Libra, seeks to restore peace through truth. Alrighty, so the symbolisms within this card. First, we have the scales. And then, so that's on to the right, which is the person's left hand. This is a symbol of balance and fairness, weighing all perspectives. This hand is linked to intuition and the subconscious mind. The sword on the opposite hand represents truth, logic, and decisive power. Its upright position indicates clarity and swift justice. Its upright position indicates clarity and swift justice. The crown with the square jewel, the square represents logic, reason, and the solid foundation of law. The robe with the green around it represents action and authority for the red, and compassion and balance for the green. The pillars, which are similar to the high priestess, it represents duality, structure, and balance between extremes. So you'll see the pillars on the high priestess and also the Hierophant card. You saw those previously there as well. The veil behind the justice, or the person, the judge, that suggests the truth and higher law lie just beyond the surface. So it suggests that truth and higher law lie just beyond the surface, and that is accessible to those who seek it. So now let's talk about the character dynamics and the directional cues. So the judge sitting front facing, direct, it's unlike the introspective high priestess. The justice card is outwardly engaged. So sitting forward, it's in this card, it means being outwardly engaged. The vertical sword symbolizes being in alignment with truth and integrity. And staring straight ahead represents moral fortitude and accountability. Someone who sees you clearly. When asked yes, no, or maybe, or when asked a yes or no question, it can mean yes if you're asking about fairness, accountability, or resolution. It can mean maybe if the truth is still unfolding or karmic balance is at play. And it can mean no if you're seeking shortcuts or avoiding consequences. For timing, it can represent Libra season, which is September 23rd through October 22nd. It's also tied to legal timelines or processes that unfold slowly but surely. And it can represent moments when fate balances the scales. So what's the story of this card? Justice is the moral compass of the major arcana. After the trials of the Chariot, which was card number 7, and the soul strengthening of strength, which was card number 8, justice demands that we face ourselves honestly, that we be honest with ourselves. The figure in this card reminds us that the universe is always keeping score, not punitively, but in the name of growth and truth. So when the Justice card appears, the truth will come to light. Whether you're receiving or delivering it, integrity is key. So that's the Justice card. Comment down below if you have additional interpretations you'd like to add. Thank you so much for watching.